Hi, I'm Ollie Neitzel, and I'm very excited to present you my latest townhouse listing located at Nature's Walk, built by Omni, a resort-style community packed with first-class luxury amenities, and I can't wait to show it to you. This home was built for entertaining. With 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, a chef-inspired kitchen with huge island, and a patio area right outside your front door, this area is perfect for any occasion. Head upstairs to your primary retreat with vaulted ceilings and spa-like ensuite. Add in tandem parking and a bonus room and air conditioning, and this home is sure to check all the boxes for you. Well, what did you think? This townhouse complex is conveniently located only a few steps away from Osprey Village and the Fraser River. It's conveniently located with quick access to the Golden Ears Bridge, which will get you anywhere in Metro Vancouver in under 25 minutes. This home is perfect for small families who are looking for luxury amenities and all the modern day conveniences that you could ever ask for. I'm Ollie Neitzel, and I can't wait to show you around.